Hey there, have you watched Alien Romulus? Yeah, there's a lot of excitement going around for the latest installment in the Alien movie franchise. A theater in France has taken this to the next level. If you're not that familiar with the Alien franchise, don't worry. The basic premise of the movies is quite simple: human versus aliens. The movies are set in the future where humans frequently travel through space. Their main enemy is an extraterrestrial alien species known as the Xenomorph. If you heard me say the term extraterrestrial, no one thought it would be something cute like E.T. Hold on. The Xenomorph species is actually pretty terrifying to look at. They're often portrayed as primal predators, which makes them even more scary. Now, watching such a creature on the screen might not be that scary. But what if you were walking in the streets and you suddenly saw a gigantic xenomorph? On a building, even worse, it's facing right at you and looks like it could jump down at any moment. This is the sight that caught the eyes of the people who walked by theaters in the CGR Cinemas chain in France. This is the latest interesting experience inspired by Romulus. Movie theaters across the world have rolled out special limited edition popcorn buckets inspired by the aliens in the franchise. There was even a life-size statue of the Xenomorph in the lobby of cinema in Los Angeles. I will be really interested in seeing this in person. Will you? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.